Hello guys, welcome back to the Latin Cyber. Today I'm gonna show you how you can download Windows 7. So on your browser, you're gonna Windows, Windows Server Ultimate here. I'm gonna click here in the Internet Archive. So when I scroll down, then I click here, say image, live image. You can see a star already here. Okay, now let's go to File Explorer. So when I go, we got it here already. Let's go down this up first, like that you can see. What we're gonna do, let me make run it a little scan. Just it's always to make sure that doesn't contain any virus. Always you can run like a quick scan. It's already running. Yeah, like you click in quick scan and you click quick. That's gonna run it to check it out. That doesn't contain any um virus. So it doesn't contain any threat. So we're good. Now let's move on how to install it. So now we're gonna start Windows 7. I just like let me go. We're now open our VirtualBox, and then when I click new, uh, when I Windows 7, see yes Windows 7. Let me see here a space. That's good. 32 too much. Let's put it 25. Why not doing it? It's 25. Finish. So when I go setting, network, change the adapter to bridge. And I go to the storage. When I go empty, and I click in the here, this is gonna choose here hold on, when I move the file here into here, please. Yes. Um, click Windows 7, click there, open. Okay. When I turn it on, click start. Here when the magic star. So click next, install now. This is process. I set license. I'm close to one. Clear next. You're building now the system. So now we're gonna call uh the name Latin server. Password. Can skip that one here and we click use recommendation. Next. It's up to you home network or work. I can say home network, yeah. So and we add in. So we let CCMD check out the password. So let inside blah, the our IP address IPv4. So guys, that's it for the video. Guys, remember the best way that you can support me is like and subscribe. Stay tuned.